Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this packet is a Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, peeling apart the flap that's keeping the clear plastic bag packaging closed. And just setting the clear plastic bag to one side and keeping it away from children, babies and animals. Okay, so those are the contents of the Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. So giving you a look at this pouch or carry bag and taking a close-up look at the hang tag and flipping it over to give you a close-up look at the contents and details of this Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. And to give you some idea of the size of this carry pouch or bag, placing my hand on the bag itself. Now let's go ahead and open up the bag. So just giving you a look at the carry bag. There is a carry strap or handle or carry loop. And the bag or pouch is zippered, as you can see right there. Let's slide the slider along to the end to reveal the contents inside, so you can see the contents right there of the Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. Let's slide the contents out from the pouch and making sure that we've removed everything from the pouch or carry bag. So there is a packet of silica gel or desiccant to keep things nice and dry. So make sure we keep that away from babies, children and animals as well. So just setting that bag to the side. And the Selens carry pouch or carry bag to the left of the frame. So over here is the 5-in-1 reflector. So giving you a look as it is before we unpack it. So opening it up, it is an 80 centimeter size reflector. As you can see, it's just unfurled and giving you a look as it is, trying to get everything in the frame. So it does have rounded edges and a carry handle as well. So giving you a look at this plastic carry handle. So providing nice and sturdy grip, as you can see right there, just holding the reflector in my hand. And of course this is the silver reflector, as you can see, giving you a close-up look. It does have a satin-like finish, as you can see the very fine graining or texture of the reflector. And just trying to get the light to balance properly so you can see the details right there without it being too glaring in the video image. And once again, that carry handle. And once again, giving you perhaps a bit more perspective right there with the entire reflector. And flipping it over, we can see that there is a black panel on the opposite side of the reflector. And there is a twin zipper here. Let's slide the slider along and open up. the reflector to see what's in here. So we can actually slide the contents out to reveal the other parts of the reflector. So there is a diffuser right here, as you can see my hand on the back. So it does have a translucent panel on it, as you can see, or slightly make out the items behind it. Okay, so just setting the diffuser down and taking a look at the rest of the items right here. So we do have a gold panel as well, or reflector, as we've already seen the black, which forms the outer covering. And on this side we see a slightly speckled white reflector. And of course we've seen the silver side of the outer cover. So taking a look at the reflector, we can always invert it depending on our needs and repurpose the reflector for use. So we slide the main frame of the reflector into that opening, and we should be able to zip everything back up. Of course, I'm making it look a little bit more fiddly than it is, given that I do have a tripod in the way. But right there, we've more or less transformed the reflector by turning the insides out. And now we can do the zip. It's a reversible zip, as you can see right there. Works both ways. And of course we want to keep the zippers out of the way, or sliders out of the way. So right there we do have the white side of the reflector now, so inside out, and on the other side is the gold or foil panel of the Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. So once again we still have that grip, and the colors that we saw initially on the outside are now on the inside with the black, and on this side the silver, as you can see right there. So versatile with the 5 different colors. Of course we have white, silver, the diffuser itself forming the frame, and then we have the gold foil and the black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let me show you again, because I kind of left it slightly out of the frame. So 1, 2 with the black, the diffuser itself or the frame. We do have white, and of course silver. So 5 color reflectors altogether, or 5 colors, and 1 diffuser, which is the frame itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 5. And there with the handle right there, being nice and steady. And of course, let's just do a quick and simple lighting test, or reflection test, or reflector test. So over here I do have a VIJIM LED Video Light, which I've unboxed before on this YouTube channel, mounted on this Manfrotto PIXI EVO 2-section mini tripod, which I've also unpacked or unboxed on this YouTube channel, so you can always do a search for those videos. So with the VIJIM LED Video Light, it has plenty of adjustability in terms of the intensity of the light as well as the color temperature. So let's just set it to a kind of cooler color, so right there with the blue, and let's stand the Manfrotto PIXI EVO 2-section mini tripod to the side and just see how that light plays with the reflection. As you can see, providing nice gold reflection, the light bouncing off, and of course this LED video light is diffused, so it is producing a softer reflection. Right there, plenty of adjustability, and you can see with my hand gripping on the very stable and sturdy frame, allowing plenty of control with the light. So that's just with the gold and white panels of this Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. And of course, if we change the color temperature of the light, there's also that added flexibility right there, especially when you have a standard strong white LED light right there. Okay, now let's just quickly flip it over and try the other colors. So looking for that zipper at the end, sliding it over. So once again, this might be slightly fiddly, but let's see what we can do right here. But of course, sliding and reversing it to the silver and black sides. And of course, not forgetting the diffuser itself, which forms the frame, providing nice, soft, light reflections. Okay, so let's now slide the handle through, and now just sliding the black and silver sides of the reflector panels and zipping that up, and you can see quite nicely that we've now got the silver reflector set up, and with that very sturdy handle or grip right there, giving you a look at the black side to minimize and absorb light. And of course, we do have the silver metallic side. So that's the Selens 5-in-1 Portable Triangle Reflector. Thanks for watching and happy snapping!